Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA G21. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and as you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level manually, enable or disable dark theme, night light, and also we can change its intensity. Then we can enable or disable adaptive brightness, white balance, adjust white balance of course, and screen refresh rate between adaptive and standard. Next we can change wallpaper, screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable auto-rotate screen, change font size, display size, set screensaver, and manage lock screen. From here, you can manage notifications on lock screen. For example, you can enable show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, and don't show notifications at all. You can enable or disable at a glance, add users from lock screen, you can add text on lock screen, and enable or disable show lockdown option. Then we can enable or disable always show time and info, double tap to check phone, lift to check phone, and wake screen for notifications. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.